Neolithic period in India, economic and social consequences of food production settlements, population and craft specialization. UGC Net Anthropology. Welcome to Anthronet Academy, a study aligned with UGC Net Anthropology syllabus. Dear learners, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Anthronet Academy, to keep me motivated to create more content for you. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button. And make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Gift on 1,000 subscribers. Anthronet Academy is excited to announce a special gift for our viewers once we reach 1,000 subscribers. Why subscribe? We're bringing you the latest current affairs in anthropology, curated specifically for competitive exams. Stay updated with exam-oriented analysis, expert insights on recent developments, daily/weekly current affairs tailored for anthropology. Special surprise gift awaits all our early supporters once we hit 1K. Don't miss out. Subscribe now, be a part of our growing community, and take your anthropology preparation to the next level. You hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Anthronet Academy, your gateway to anthropology excellence. Neolithic period in India. The Neolithic period, New Stone Age, in India marks the transition from food gathering to food production. People began agriculture and domestication of animals, leading to major economic and social changes. Important Neolithic sites include Mehrgarh, Burzahum, Chirand, and Maski. Economic consequences of food production. Development of agriculture, wheat, barley, rice, millets, created a stable food supply. Animal domestication, cattle, sheep, goats, supported farming and transport. Emergence of surplus production, enabling storage and trade. Development of new tools like polished stone axes and sickles for farming. Beginning of barter exchange system for goods and agricultural surplus. Settlements. Transition from nomadic lifestyle to permanent settlements. Villages developed near fertile land and water sources. Houses made of mud, wood, and sometimes pit dwellings. Archaeological evidence of village life found at Burzahum and Mehrgarh. Settlements led to organized community living. Population growth. Stable food production increased food availability. Reduction in migration led to long-term settlement stability. Improved survival rates resulted in rapid population growth. Expansion of villages into larger communities. Craft specialization. Surplus food allowed some people to focus on non-agricultural activities. Development of pottery making, weaving, tool making, and bead production. Pottery was used for storage, cooking, and trade. Emergence of skilled artisans and craftsmen in villages. Class formation. Surplus production created economic differences among people. Some individuals controlled land, livestock, or surplus resources. Gradual emergence of social hierarchy and class divisions. Early forms of economic inequality appeared in Neolithic societies. Political institutions. Growth of villages required basic leadership and administration. Emergence of tribal chiefs or village leaders to manage resources and disputes. Development of collective decision-making systems within communities. Early foundation for organized political institutions in later civilizations. Thank you for watching. Stay connected.